This is the center of mass. Let it be smooth. Tell me what will happen to it just after release. Let's see that one body. I'll help you. How do it will move? Okay, immediately what happened? Take notebook. Don't just sit watch. Okay, teacher will show will write all the equations. I'll make observation. Put effort. Put some pressure on your brain. Huh? Take notebook, pen, draw the diagram. Show what are all forces that are going to act. How the normal contact will act vertically down. Some of your parents have sent message that my kid is just only watching. I think it's not Cartoon Network, no, where you can just only watch. See, don't write notes. If you want to, the PDF is there. At least what happen? The teacher, the moment question gives what happen, you should draw the diagram and try to put effort. It's not a Cartoon Network where you can continuously only watch. This is O, this is P, this is Q. So similarly, same thing, just after release, I want acceleration of point P. Let's see in this case what conditions will arise. Will it rotate about P? Will it rotate about O? Will it rotate about center of mass? Sir, orientation little bit difficult, previous problem. Or will it not rotate because it is just PQ is vertical? Okay, some student is asking like this, sir, what happens if the rod is just held vertical? What should happen? It will be there like that only, no? Why it will rotate? But sir, but I take pen because see the pen, what will happen there? You are unable to balance it. So if you just put it like this, it will stay there only like that. Why do it will swing that one? So same thing happens. So it will stay like that only. No, it will swing. So you can try this. You take watermelon. There's a semicircular plate. Huh? Or you can go for hemisphere, solid hemisphere. Then you just take the watermelon or not watermelon, cabbage or not cabbage, half of the tomato or lemon, or some nowadays we have the oranges, no, cut it this and see what conditions are. So I think it will tilt, no, we know it will tilt. How do you tilt it? It will tilt towards left. Then just after releasing it, it will rotate about again center of mass only. It will rotate about center of mass. So alpha C, I'll show it. So acceleration of center of mass and alpha C. Then what are the equations of motion? Mg minus Ny is equal to MAC. Then torque should be Ny into OC should be equal to IC into alpha C. Do we know IC? How to calculate semicircular plate, and what is OC should be equal to 4R by 3 pi. How to calculate IC? So can we calculate about O? About O for the semicircular plate. Go back to some logical method I shown. For semicircular plate about O, we can find out IOZ, we can find out. So from that weapon, we can calculate the ICZ, applying parallaxis theorem. IOZ is equal to ICZ plus M into OC square. IOZ is how much? MR square by 2 only. Okay, you got ICZ. This ICZ is nothing but IC. Okay, now we know this. So alpha C, that one. How many unknowns are there? NY, AC, and alpha C. Then acceleration of point P along y-axis must be 0. So therefore, the tangential acceleration, I am going to show it here. The tangential acceleration will be in this direction. So this distance, let me call R. So r alpha c. So acceleration of point and AC will be in this direction. So let me take this is theta. Let me write the equation. Consider the equation. Acceleration of point P along y-axis should be 0. So from that, AC minus r alpha c sine theta should be equal to 0. Solving this, we'll get the required answer. Now, can you say, if this is a rough ward action, friction will act towards left. This is a method of thing. And what is the acceleration of point P along x-axis non-zero equal to r alpha c cos theta. Okay, I helped you with semicircular plate. Say very simple, the what all idea. So now what you should try. You should try some other objects. Triangular plate. A triangular plate like this. Equilateral triangle. This one. Release it. Just after release, you have to calculate acceleration of point P. Triangular plate over. Then this I am releasing all where on the horizontal surface. No, let me release some object rod on the inclined plane. I think the topics will become really unlimited. Find the acceleration of point P or here B just after release. Please do work out. I'll go for next concepts. Still plenty of things are there we have to discuss. Find